Can you hear it? The sound of Pentecost exploding to win lost souls to Jesus Christ. The Pentecostal Explosion Crusade at Metropolitan Baptist Church will take place August 28th through 31st at 7:30 p.m. nightly. Speakers include Bishop Frank Anthone White, Evangelist Joyce Rodgers, Dr. Jim Reeve, and Pastor Gene Burch. The Pentecostal Explosion Crusade will take place at Metropolitan Baptist Church, 2283 North Fair Oaks Avenue in Altadena. For more information, call 626-794-5734. 626-794-5734. That's 626-794-5734. Or log on to www.deltab1.com. That's www.deltab1.com. The Pentecostal Explosion Crusade, August 28th through 31st at Metropolitan Baptist Church in Altadena.